Hi there, this is Aaron Len with an Asana training video for you. And today's video I'm going to be talking about my tasks in Asana. And if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. And if you need some personalized help with your Asana, please feel free to reach out to me using the link in the description below. So let's hop into Asana and take a look. Okay, so we're here in Asana in My Tasks, and if you don't know how to get here, in the left-hand sidebar, you just click on My Tasks here, right under Home, and it'll load up this list of tasks. And this is all the tasks that have been assigned to you inside this particular Asana installation. And you can sort the data in multiple ways. The default is by none. What I like to recommend is sorting by due date. You can also sort by likes, alphabetical project, though I don't actually know people who do those. And you can, of course, filter tasks by incomplete, completed, and all tasks as well. Now, My Tasks received a bit of a revamp at the time of recording this in mid-2021, where you can now view all your tasks on a board and set up custom rules for My Tasks, and you can also look at the calendar view. Mine's kind of crazy, but the most useful use for My Tasks is still the list view, in my opinion, sorted by descending due date. Sorted by ascending due date, and this will tell you what's coming up next and what needs to be done. And that's pretty much all there is to My Tasks. It's probably the second most important thing in Asana after checking your Asana inbox every morning. So please make sure that you use it. It can be very helpful in identifying what you need to get done on any given day. And if you have any questions, please do ask them in the comments below. And of course, if you need some personalized help with your Asana, you can reach out to me using the link in the description below about my one-on-one private consulting services for Asana and other project management setups.